Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidered shirts. All of these are very beautiful, simple, easy and breathable and comfortable lightweight embroidery designs. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video content for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share and leave comments in the comment section that which design you like the most and why. And before going into the further details, I have one more data information to share with you, that is we never reclaim someone else's work as our own, or we never intend to claim someone else's piece of art or piece of work as our own. The basic purpose and intent behind making videos is to share amazing, trendy and beginner style, latest up to date design style ideas of hand embroidery, thread work, or different type of stylized patterns of embroidery. Guys, the beauty and creativity of this collection is that it contains very beautiful, mostly highly, widely acknowledged and attractive white hand embroidered shirts. White color shirts are very in, they are popular, in demand from the beginning of the time the dressing and the art of hand embroidery have been executed. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns if you are embroidery beginner or you are in search of beautiful patterns of embroidery that with the help of those patterns you can make a hand embroidery pattern of your own, or you could become a designer of your own by just following these patterns. For getting more beautiful, decent and elegant results, I would recommend you to use the exact color combination of threads, embroidery and exactly use the same color of fabric to get the more closer results like which you have been seeing. So another important and beautiful and creative aspect of this video is that you can get amazing type of denim embroidery ideas. You can embroider your denim shirts, denim jackets, and denim type of fabric with the help of these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. So side neckline embroidery, shoulder embroidery, different parallel hemline style border embroidery, different type of stylized patterns of neckline have been shown. You can select and choose a best one as of your own choice and become a designer of your own. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I am deeply thankful from the bottom of my heart to keep supporting us, keep liking us, keep watching our videos. Stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos.